Hi guys, today we are from Group 8 and will be presenting on a chemical compound that plays a crucial role not only in industry and agriculture, but also in medicine, which is copper 2 sulfate. For the first one, we will talk about occurrence and extraction of copper. Let's begin by understanding where copper can be found in nature. Copper is found in the Earth's crust at approximately 70 parts per million. It is commonly found in ores like chalcopyrite, bornite, and malachite. Next, for extraction of copper. Copper is extracted from its ores using processes such as froth flotation, smelting, and electrolytic refining. Copper, sulfate, can be produced as a byproduct in these processes, which is then purified for use in medicine. For the second part of the video, we will talk about chemical and physical properties of copper. Chemical properties of copper. Copper reacts with various acids and alkalis to form compounds like copper 2 sulfate, CuSO4. It is moderately reactive and forms stable salts, making it ideal for medicinal applications. Physical properties of copper. Copper is a reddish-brown metal with high ductility and excellent electrical and thermal conductivity. For the third part of the video, we will discuss about the formation of copper 2 sulfate. Copper 2 sulfate is formed by reacting copper oxides, hydroxides, or carbonates with sulfuric acid. It is produced in a crystalline form that is highly soluble in water, making it suitable for medical and chemical uses. Next, we will talk about the electrolytic refining and purification. Copper 2 sulfate is used as the electrolyte in the purification of copper through electrolysis. During this process, impurities are removed, and pure copper is deposited at the cathode. This refined copper sulfate is then collected and processed further for medicinal use. Now let's dive a bit deeper into medical applications of copper 2 sulfate. For the first point, antimicrobial and antifungal agent, copper 2 sulfate disrupts bacterial and fungal cell walls, making it effective in treating infections. For the second point, antiseptic, copper 2 sulfate is used as a topical antiseptic to disinfect and clean wounds due to its antimicrobial properties. For the third point, copper 2 sulfate is used as an emetic, a substance that induces vomiting, to treat cases of poisoning or drug overdose. For the next part of the video, we will talk about benefits and advantages of copper 2 sulfate for medicine. For the first point, low cost and availability. Copper 2 sulfate is economical and readily available. Since copper 2 sulfate is readily available and affordable, it is a good choice for applications in veterinary and agricultural medicine. It provides useful advantages in clinical settings due to its flexibility of usage in many forms, solutions, powders, etc. In conclusion, copper and its derivatives, like copper 2 sulfate, are not just essential for industrial applications, they have a remarkable presence in the medical field as well. Today, we've seen how copper is extracted, refined, and transformed into copper 2 sulfate through various chemical processes. These same properties that allow copper to conduct electricity and resist corrosion also enable it to form stable compounds with antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Copper 2 sulfate truly exemplifies how a single chemical compound can bridge different domains and be of great utility across multiple disciplines.